Hello, I'm Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, let me share to you the latest update in OKX exchange platform. So let's stay tuned. Everybody also know what is OKX exchange platform. It's popular because it is popular. Just kidding. So right now, of course, if you look at coin market cap, whoever don't know what is OKX, let me show you a little bit here. OKX is famous on its derivative exchange. You can see on the derivative exchange on CoinMarketCap, you can see OKX is ranked number 3, top 3. It has a total volume of 17 billion of daily turnover volume. Why? Because one of the unique point is they have very cheap fees. Maker and taker fees is as low as only 0.02 to 0.05 taker fees. Okay, so they have a lot of points that you can trade on the futures trading. So whoever wants to trade in OKX, I will put down my link at description below so you guys can register and gain one good benefit. The benefit is a mystery box that can win up to 10,000 US dollar. How do I say so? If you look at here, right? If you use my referral link, this OKX join whatever, this actually I'll put down the link at below. If you click this and you join this, you can see that if I invited a friend and both of us can get a mystery box after my friend first time log in. So when you log in, you can straight away claim the reward. So the reward is up to 10,000 US dollar. It's simple. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go and use my link, and click claim your reward. So it will randomly pop out a mystery box for you. And I managed to get one mystery box, which is I think it's a Shiba token for free, and it's worth better than nothing, correct? So remember to use that, okay? Of course, there will be more plenty events if you use my referral link, so remember to do that, okay? So this is one of the good way to start this episode. Other than that, let me go through with you what OKX have to offer. Of course, there is trading, there is spot trading, there is trading board also. There is also like OKX Earn, Loan, and Jumpstart. Jumpstart, whoever don't know, is actually a launchpad in OKX. I'll actually go through all that, and also there is derivative, there is other things, build, learn, and other more. So one thing unique, I want to point out this matter, which is this. Manchester City announced OKX as official training kit sponsor for 2022 and 2023 season. So that's the reason why you managed to see this on their main page, where you can win the season's ticket. So you can actually go. They will invite you over. They'll give free tickets to go to watch football games. So how you want to watch this? How you want to get the tickets? Very simple. What you're gonna do is you're gonna click on this link and it will pop up this tab where you're gonna fill up accordingly to what they want. So of course your email, your nationality, your email, your link, whatever social media, whatever things that you want to fulfill, just do that accordingly and click submit. Of course you need to do the following task, which is fill the above question. You're gonna follow OKX on their Twitter, like and retweet and share, tag a friend, comment with OKX Man City. So after that, you just need to click submit and you will stand a chance to win a ticket to watch the football match. So you can see if you scroll all the way down below, where you can see here, enter the chance now to win a season ticket in Etihad Stadium, which is another good thing. All right, so you're gonna do that and you were able to get not just up to $10,000, you can also win a home season tickets where you gonna be lovely. You're gonna like this because you're gonna be free to go into this Etihad Stadium to watch the football games. Okay, so other than that, of course, let me go through one by one. What do they have to offer, which is the spot trading. If you want to go to spot trading, you can always go to the basic trading where they have spot tradings all here, which is a very beautiful, I would say, interface. One of the beautiful interface that I ever seen is they have all the tokens here. They have their, whatever order book here, and they have their trading tools, everything here lightly. So you're gonna click in trading view, you can see all the tools that you need. Of course, you can place your order here and it's simple to use. And of course, if you want to go to, the margin tradings, you can always go to the margin tradings and you can see there is perpetual swap, which is future tradings. Of course, you can play futures. Futures will have the time period, which is the contract. We have the contract based on the time, the expiry date, where you can play it on a weekly basis, on the quarterly basis, or I think quarterly basis would be the maximum one. Yeah. So you can see that there are plenty of coins that you can do. You can play around. Of course, if you are into expiry date, just go ahead and click futures and you can go. Of course, there is plenty more. You can play on margin tradings. You can play even on options. So there are plenty of offers that you can do in OKX, and that's the reason why OKX is one of the leading top derivative exchange platform. Okay. Other than that, of course, there is trading board. If you are not into somebody that are lazy like me, of course, you can always go through the trading boards and you can see the trading boards are quite simple, where you can do the grid trading, the spot grid trading, the recurring buy, the smart portfolio, the futures grid, arbitrage order, iceberg, and T1. So there are plenty of things that you can play around with the whatever trading boards that they're offering, which is a good thing. I think compared to other exchanges, I think this is quite a lot to select compared to others exchanges. More than that, of course, there is block tradings, RFQ for large size spot derivative and multi-leg structure. So you can play around with this. And of course, if you are not into tradings or if you don't have time to trade, you can always go to Grow. Grow meaning that it's like a fixed deposit whereby you just put your tokens there and you're gonna put it on the fixed deposit and then get rewards by just putting that. So there is savings, stablecoin, do investment, DeFi, staking, fixed income, flash deal, ETH. So if you're into staking, just go to click on staking and you are able to stake all of them. So different tokens, of course, you can select different. If you have Bora, you can stick on Bora. If you have Velo, you can stick on Velo. If you have Metis, you can Velis, Metis. Of course, this is really depending on how many days you want to stick it. Accordingly, of course, there is flexible. There is 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. Of course, the lesser the daisy is, for example, if you're on flexible, of course, you will get a little as 5%, but that is still money. Okay, so if you are not into trading, if you're not into the future trading or the spot trading or whatsoever, just stick your coins here, it will be perfect. Of course, there is saving also, there is stable coin, there is fixed income. Stable coin, that's a good thing also. You can even take your USD here, which is a good thing. So other than that, of course, there's fixed income, there's dual investment, there is flash deal, there is DeFi, there is ETH staking. So there are plenty of things that you can do around. So of course, if you are into the borrowing, you can always go to the borrow to earn, borrow to spend, whereby you click on it, you can actually borrow your tokens or people, or you borrow the people tokens, or you borrow the exchange tokens. Of course, there is some interest rate that you can borrow. Of course, this is fit if you are into the perpetual swap trading. So if you are in the spot trading, no point you borrowing money, right? Of course, borrowing will have interest, so remember to do your own research before you borrow anything, or you tend to borrow people. Okay, so borrow here, borrow there. Of course, you can borrow to earn, borrow to spend, and then the last but not least is actually the jumpstart, whereby the jumpstart is pretty straightforward because in order for you to jumpstart, to participate in jumpstart or launchpad, they call it. For example, they have new tokens that are going to be launched in OKX. You can always stake OKB, which is their own native token, OKX utility tokens. You can see here. Here is what you get in OKB: trading fee discount, passive income, token sale. Token sales is the one which is the jumpstart. Of course, how you can spend the OKB, this is all the financial service that you can pay with using OKB here and there. There's plenty of things that you can do with OKB. And I think the main thing is will be the jumpstart, whereby if you have whole OKB, you can always join all this jumpstart event in OKX. So if you have OKB, you can get all these tokens for free. There's plenty of tokens. There are plenty of things that you can do here in OKX, which is awesome. So there are plenty of things that you can do in OKX platform, not just trading. You can do earning, you can do jumpstart, you can do a lot of things. So of course, you want to learn something, you can always learn. There's plenty of things that you can learn from here. How do you want to create or manage the OKX wallet? If you are a beginner, there is full of tutorials that you can do trading ideas. They even have trading ideas though. So it's kind of like A to Z for you, for beginner level all the way to advanced trader. Is quite benefit if you look into this platform. Okay, so last but not least, of course, there is build also, there is bridge swap, there is Oracle, there is plenty of things. For example, if you want to build your own metaverse or whatsoever, you can always start to build on the OKX platform. Okay, so to summarize this, I think OKX is one of the, I don't want to say much because it's one of the best exchange platform outside. And the main thing for today's episode will be of course, the football event and also the 10,000 mystery box. So remember to claim this tool. This tool will be your most advantageous thingy on this episode. So don't miss out this, and remember to use my referral link. You will get mystery box for free, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, remember to like and share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys soon. And goodbye.